Hey guys, we're going to do dictation today and we're going to do it in our composition book. So everybody get their wind book. If you don't have your book, you just need a piece of paper. And this time when you do it, when you go to the clean page or whatever page your teacher tells you to go, you're going to click, you're going to click, you're going to check the word checkup, because this is a checkup where your teacher's going to take it from you and grade it to see how you're doing. So you're not going to show us after each thing we write. You're not going to show us at the end. It's almost like a test before we take the big test next week. Because at the end of next week, we'll be finished with Unit 6 and we'll take a test. But this is kind of like a halfway point so we can see what we need to help you with next week. So it's important you do it on your own and you do your best work. Okay? So put your thinking caps on. Okie dokie, artichoke, here we go. Okay, right here for sound number 1, make sure you're under sounds and number 1. The first sound is shh. I want everybody to say shh. Say the letters, write them, and give your teacher a thumbs up. Sound number 2, so you should be under sounds. Number 2. Sound number 2 is v. Everybody say v. Say the letter name, write the letter, then give your teacher a thumbs up. Sound number 3. Sound number 3 is zzz. What sound? Zzz. Hint, you know 2 ways. So say the letters, write them, and then give your teacher a thumbs up. Okay, now we're going to go on to review words. Okay, the first review word is jam. Everybody say jam. Let's tap it out. J-am. Say the letters, write it, mark it, then give your teacher a thumbs up. Review word number 2. Review word number 2 is shell. Everybody say shell. Let's tap it. Sh, eh, l. Say the letters, write it, mark it, give your teacher a thumbs up. Current words, those are the ones from this unit. Our first word is backs. Everybody say backs. We're going to tap the base word, back. Say the letter names, write it, mark it, and give your teacher a thumbs up. Remember, the word is backs. Backs. More than one back. The next word is current word number 2 is hills. Everybody say hills. We're going to tap the base word, I, l. Say the letter names, write it, mark it, and give your teacher a thumbs up. Okay, now we're on to our trick words. Remember, we cannot tap these. You guys cannot sound these out. You just have to say the letter names and write it. So the first one, trick word number 1, is the word what. Everybody say what. Write it, then give your teacher a thumbs up. Trick word number 2 is the word when. Everybody say when. Say the letter names and then write it. And the sentence is, now we're on the sentence. The sentence is, who has his pens? Who has his pens? So write, who has his pens? These first 3 words are all trick words. You can tap out the last word, pens. So who has his pens? Don't forget your punctuation. Once you've written it and you've scooped your sentence, then go ahead and give your teacher a thumbs up. Great job today, friends.